What's up? Alexo Crypto here. How are we all doing? Hope you're doing well. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. What is going on with these markets? Let's jump into it. Quick update here to help you guys stay profitable, practice good mindset. Which way is the Otter pointing today? Well, let's find out, my friends. Let's find out. Let's see. Oh, and it's pointing down. Oh my God, why would it point down? Well, let's get into that. Let's talk about this price action. Hope you're all doing well. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Thank you so much for joining, subscribing, being part of this great community. Join us in the free Discord. All that shill. Now let's get into it, because what do we got here? We got some bullishness, okay? We got some bullishness. We have popped back up ever since having this engulfing candle. We're looking for the weekly to try to take out these highs up here. We will see. But let's jump into the charts, okay? The weekly is looking pretty strong right now. It looks to make its way up. As we skip through here, we have that red dot on the market cipher, let's not forget. And we also can see that it is starting to turn up, like it is Friday. So let's turn up, right? Market's turning up. Where can price go? Why am I pointing down with the Otter? Well, we can see that we've come down. We've retraced healthily down to this key level of support around 27,000. And now we are trading up in the beautiful nether regions of 29.5. Nether regions being a higher area, okay? So as we go through this, we can see that the red dot has played out, but we are starting, as we get into the 3-day, the 2-day, this green dot, okay? This green dot looks like it wants to print. It has printed on the daily, and it has brought us up, okay? So when we get off of the 2-day, and we can see money flow is still in the green, VWAP's crossed the zero line, and we're getting a green dot on the 2-day. Does this mean we can pump? Maybe. Does this mean we can dump? Maybe. But I'm looking for a dump. Why am I looking for a dump? Well, we're going to figure it out along the way here. So, daily, bullish, coming up, okay? Big dump to a pump. Wiki, Darth Maul candle on the daily. You can see the Darth Maul candle, can't you? We can all see the Darth Maul candle. It is right there, okay? Up, down, all around. Wild day. That was on Wednesday for you guys. Wednesday, maybe I'll just change this to the UK time zone. You know that Bitcoin closes on the UK time zone. So there's London, right? Where's the zero? Well, we can go to Reykjavik. Let's go to Reykjavik and keep the UTC at 0. Okay, that's important to know when your weekly close happens on the Bitcoin, and that is obviously UTC 0 + 1 - 3. You can see 0 is important to know. Okay, so as we go down here, let's see what we got. Oh, reversal. Could that mean reversal, green dot, continuation, mixed signal, okay, on the 20-hour? As we flip through here, we can see that we're getting a lot of mixed signals. Now when we look at this abstractly, my English not well today. Okay, so when we look at this, we can see we're making higher highs. Okay, we can see also that we have this huge area of consolidation zone. Okay, this is massive, right? You can see we traded in this for about a month, right? So this is a key level of support, of resistance if we go into it, and we've blasted it back up to it. But we've also made new highs this year, okay? We got to think of what does the market want to do here. It got a lot of liquidity, and I know there's a lot of liquidity down here, right? Not as much up here, but it could. We were talking about a liquidity grab in the Discord and then a possible reversal. Now, can this happen tomorrow? This is what I'm looking for. I don't know about you, but this is what I'm looking for. So as we go through Market Cipher, we can see momentum waves are coming up. So is the stochastic, which is making room for a downwards move, in my opinion. This is on the 12-hour, right? So we still got 24 hours to possibly curl over here and reverse this thing back down. So this is what I'm trying to keep an eye on. We know there's liquidity up here at this 31,000 area, and why not? Let's make another higher high and dump the market. This is what I'm looking at right now, and I'm looking to trade. We have quite a frantic move in the past couple days here. You can see that we had this massive pump up here that we gave the setup, and we caught this one going up. Now, we did not have the setup for this one coming down because it happened so quickly, right? But we gave another setup for a pump here, and this one came up, and then it did its chaos thing the other day. So join us in the Discord. Great traders in there, great people before great traders. We are quite a nice family, tight-knit, loving, caring community. So we would love to have more of you. And if you're not loving, kind, and caring, well, then you can keep watching the videos. But, don't join us in the Discord because we're kind and friendly, and we enjoy each other's company. So you can see we've worked our way down here. We've got some sort of mixed signal here. Very, very dramatic action. Okay, very dramatic action. And we want to see price come back down. Now, let's get into it. Let's go to the 4 hour. This is what I was looking at on the 4 hour. Now we zoom out. We turn on some TA. Let's turn on the TA because, that's what we like to do here. We got numbers. Okay, we'll hide the numbers for now. And we'll get some levels. Now, we gave these levels the other day in the Discord. And we said either price is going to work its way down or up, right? Because you got two options here, right? You got two options here. And what happened is price went all over the place, okay? It went all over the place. Now, it's hard to trade this, but we've had volatility. So we have longed and shorted along the way and taken some profits along the way. And I hope you have too. Now, what can we see here? We have this liquidation area up here. We have this point of control up here that's kept us down, okay? And then we have this range here. So we're going to pull volume first off and look at what's going on, okay? So we pull volume for the Bitcoin price up here, and we can see that we have the point of control that's held us up, right? But we also have the value area high here that's held us up, and we've put in a lot more volume in this area right here throughout, right? So what do I think? I think that we need to come up and challenge this point of control here, right? We have this beautiful, beautiful area of volume, right? If I pull the volume right here, we can see beautiful area, point of control marked out. I want to see some sort of attempt up here. Swing failure pattern, bearish divergence, drop it like it's hot. That's what I'm looking for, right? At this range right now. I'm currently not trading this right now because we're stuck in the middle, right? Very volatile middle area. Now, why am I looking for a short? Now, I wouldn't just say, I'm going to short because I think it's going to swing failure pattern and we're going to get bearish divergence. No, I wouldn't do that to you guys. I would have more evidence along the way. So what else do I got, right? What else do I got? I just want to give you this quick range right now. Oh, look, it's a blood diamond. We could be looking for lower prices. Very, very careful right now, okay? So what do I got? I got CME futures, okay? Make sure to get this Bitcoin CME futures and mark these things out on your charts, ladies and gentlemen, because you're going to need these, okay? These things are called gaps, okay? We like gaps here. Fill in the gap, right? Color in between the lines of the gaps, okay? So price likes to go back to these gaps. Well, we've made some new ones, okay? We've made some new ones. We'll go into the hour here, and you can see how diligent. I pulled out the magnifying glass for this one. I zoomed right in, and I saw that there is gaps, okay? Look at this. This one's even a little bit out, okay? There are gaps here, okay? Look at this. That's a gap. And that's a gap. Okay, we got two gaps here down below us. Now, can we come down and fill these? That is the question. Now, where are these gaps on price action? CME futures is a lot different to the regular price. So you can see where this is. Big drop down, pump back up. This middle of the range before we got this massive move up. Okay, so we come over to here, 1 hour. Big move down. Oh, look at that. It's below this key level of support, okay? So we have CME gaps down here, okay? CME gaps just before this point of control, in my opinion, right? Does that make sense? CME gaps, one below the point of control, right? 28.4. It's different over here, right? It's different over here. 28.4, what do we got here? 28,000 down here. 28.4 is kind of right here. Yeah. Yep, right there. Okay, so we got gaps down below here. This is what we're watching. Okay, we're watching for price to not get above here and possibly continue its way down, okay? Now, what else is pointing to this? What else is pointing to this? Because you'd be like, okay, Alex O Crypto, you said we're going down, but where are we going to go down from, right? Well, we want to look for the swing failure pattern. We want to look for exhaustion. We want to look for a bad report. We see Microsoft and Meta reporting, having good reports. Amazon, good report. So today is reporting week. We got some news coming up next week. We will prepare for that over the weekend. So what are we preparing for tomorrow? We're preparing for a little bit of a trial up and a dump down. That's what I'm preparing for. Now, why is this? Because we can see on the S&P, we were looking at two things on the S&P. We were looking for it to continue. We got higher highs and higher lows, okay? We're looking for it to continue up. Well, what happened? It got rejected here. Now we're trying to work its way back up again. You can see it bounced off this key level of support that we have drawn out, right? So we were looking for the S&P to either work its way down along this red or work its way up along this green. Now, what has happened? It has not come up to this new high here. It has come only up to here, around 41.71, and it's come down, and it's continuing upwards right now. So it's looking to attack this 4,200 area to make higher highs and continue this uptrend. If it fails to get above here, look for it to follow the red, okay? So this is what we're looking for. Rejection from 4,200. Even if it does put in a higher high, look for a rejection, okay? Even if it does. We're looking for a rejection. When it will happen could be next week, could be tomorrow, okay? So we're looking for a rejection on the S&P. That means downward action for Bitcoin. Now, also, dollar index. Dollar index, we were looking for a pump the other day, and look, we've gotten it, okay? We have this downward channel that we were watching. Very, very obvious downward channel. Could not break out, right? Look what it's doing now. It's moving. It's going up. Can it flip this to support and keep pumping up? That's what we're looking for on the dollar index. When we zoom out, we can see that we've made a beautiful double bottom pattern, and we're looking to continue upwards. Now, is this trying to do some sort of Adam and Eve? We will wait and see. But right now, double bottom pattern if we continue up from here. Okay, a little bit more consolidation than this one, on this one than the previous. But you know, lots going on in the crypto world. Can we get a push up for the dollar? But if the dollar pushes up, guess what? That means downwards for Bitcoin. So these are multiple confluences that I have looked at today in order to help you guys trade the Friday, in order to help you guys remain profitable and use good risk management. So we're looking for a swing failure pattern up, maybe taking out these highs, okay? Maybe taking out these highs. And if we want to build confluence, we can go out to the daily here, and we can target maybe the high of the highs where there is the most liquidity, okay? And that would be around 31,117, okay? So I'm looking for a little bit of a shoot upwards with a rejection and then a dump down for Friday. If we get it, we get it. If not, we will practice good risk management along the way and protect ourselves, right? Because we plan, we get ideas, we want to have a plan in place so that when price comes, we have the courage to take the trade and profit from that trade. This is what we're about at Alex O Crypto. We like to practice good risk management, take our profits, put our stop loss to entry, pay ourselves early, and make it a winning trade, okay? So we're trying to catch the key entries, but we're also protecting ourselves along the way. And when we are wrong, we're able to admit it fast, we're able to admit it quickly, and we're able to admit when we're wrong in order to continue to trade and hold our capital, okay? So this is my idea. This is my plan. I hope that helps you guys, and I hope you guys all have a beautiful and blessed day. This is just a quick market update. I will be online tomorrow live and with you. So God bless you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your support. I will see you guys tomorrow, and I will see you in the Discord all the time because we're only not in there when we're sleeping. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for being part of this community. I will see you soon. Much love. Peace out. Bye.